Hello there, we're Mazzamuto Construction, and we're so glad you're here. You're probably watching this because you've got a big project in mind for your home. So we wanted to put this together for you, just a quick introduction to who we are, what we're all about, and what you can expect when you work with us.
You know, we totally get it. Thinking about starting a big home project, it can feel, well, pretty overwhelming, right? There are just so many decisions to make, a million moving parts, and honestly, a ton of unknowns. If that's how you're feeling, trust me, you are definitely not alone. And that right there, that's exactly why we do what we do. Our number one goal is to take that feeling of being overwhelmed and flip it, turn it into a feeling of total confidence and clarity. We truly believe the whole journey should be just as solid as the finished home. And that process, for you, starts right now.
So you might be asking, how do you guys actually do that? Well, for us, it all comes down to our foundation. A foundation built on trust, on craftsmanship you can see and feel, and just proven reliability.
And look, this promise we're making isn't anything new for us. We're a family business, and we're talking 3 generations of experience here. For more than 60 years, we've been serving families right here in the Bay Area. Our roots go way back to old world craftsmanship, and those strong family values. To us, it's pretty simple. It's all about integrity, quality, and doing what we say we're gonna do.
Let's talk about some hard data for a second. You see this number? 108. That's our BZ score. So, what in the world is a BZ score? Well, it's an industry-wide rating that basically measures how reliable and trustworthy a company is. Now, to put that in perspective, any score over 5, just 5, is considered elite. So a score of 108, that's a huge independent thumbs up about our reputation.
That kind of reliability actually puts us in the top 5% of all contractors in the entire state of California. And something we're super proud of, our own community recognized us. We were voted Best of Martinez for 2024. And look, these aren't just plaques to hang on the wall. For us, they're proof that we're living up to our commitment to our clients, time and time again.
All right, so that's the foundation of trust we've built. Now let's talk about how we actually deliver on that. We call it the path to predictability. It's our disciplined process, and it's basically our secret weapon against the chaos you sometimes see in construction.
So here's where things get really different. A lot of contractors, and you may have heard stories, kind of guess and, well, figure things out as they go. The Mazzamuto method? It's the complete opposite of that. It's a system, a repeatable, disciplined process that we've designed specifically to get rid of surprises and make sure you have a totally transparent, premium experience. Our whole method really comes down to 3 key steps that make sure everything is predictable. First, accurate estimating. Second, we build a detailed roadmap and schedule. And third, we make the whole selection process completely stress-free. Let's just touch on each of those real quick. Okay, first up, accurate estimating. Let me be clear, we just don't do ballpark guesses. It's not our style. We start with a complete digital takeoff from your plans, and we get real, up-to-the-minute pricing from our suppliers. What that means for you is that your estimate is built on pure facts, so you have total financial clarity right from the very beginning. Next, we create the project's roadmap, so you'll get this super clear, organized estimate where every little thing is detailed out, and right alongside it, a realistic step-by-step schedule. Honestly, this isn't just a plan, it's a full-on, professional planning service. And the key is, we build this whole roadmap with real data before a single hammer swings, so we know the plan is solid. And finally, we've got to talk about what's often the most stressful part of a remodel, right? Picking everything out. We've made this part completely simple. You get a dedicated designer to help you, and since we're a full product vendor, you can buy everything, I mean everything, from cabinets and flooring to the knobs on the doors, directly through us. So you can forget about running to 10 different stores. It's just one simple, streamlined experience.
Okay, so having a great plan is one thing. But how do we keep that clarity and confidence going for the whole project? Well, that brings me to our next big thing. Total 24/7 transparency. The way we deliver on that promise is with an amazing tool called Buildertrend. It's pretty much the #1 construction management platform in the industry, and it's the technology that powers our whole process and keeps you completely plugged into what's happening. And the difference this makes is, honestly, it's night and day. With a lot of projects, maybe you get an update here and there, and it creates these big gaps where you're just not sure what's going on. With us, you get total 24/7 visibility into everything, from day one to the very end. You're never, ever left in the dark. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, you get your own personal customer portal. You can log in whenever you want and see daily logs of exactly what happened on site that day. You can see progress photos in real time. You'll get weekly updates that tell you what we finished and what's coming up next. And you get full financial clarity. You can track payments, approve any changes, see the totals. It's literally your entire project, right at your fingertips.
The bottom line is simple. Your whole project, all the plans, the contracts, every single selection, the schedule, it's all organized and available to you in one spot anytime you want to see it. It's all designed to keep you in the loop and give you that real peace of mind. We'd love for you to check out our show. It's called the Mazzamuto Method. It's hosted by Gino and Mario Mazzamuto, our head problem solvers, and you could find it right on Spotify. It's a really good way to hear more about our philosophy on building, on leadership, and yeah, on providing that clarity we keep talking about.
So there you have it. That's a little peek into who we are and how we operate. It all comes down to craftsmanship, integrity, and, you guessed it, clarity for you, the homeowner. Really, the only question now is, are you ready to bring that kind of quality and clarity to your project? We really look forward to meeting with you soon and hearing all about your vision.